Right guys, welcome back. Today we're just going to have a go at this tyre machine. I'll show you how it works. It's just a manual one. Let's see how it goes and how quick we can change the tyre over. So let's get to it and see how it goes. Already let the air out. Won't break the bead, hopefully. There we go. We're off all the way around. Now we need to turn it over and do the other side. Could do something to lay it on so we don't give it too many marks on it. So what I'm going to do, just get this piece of wood and get it out. Lift the wheel up. Just going to lay that there. I'm going to spin it round. Two chips, guys. Now we want it on there. See guys, we're off. Just make sure it's off all the way around. Yep. So we're going to get it on here now. Right guys, just a little bit of card. What I'm going to do is crossing it. Just slide it over there. It's not going to hurt anyway, but screw this on right. See, spin it round a bit, guys. So we're just going to tighten this up, and we use a bar to nip it up. That'll do. Don't need to go stupid. Then right back. And if you hold it straight, don't damage the alloy. Right, we're off. And now we need to get the underside off. So we'll lift it up, get the brake light. We're going to get it in and then wedge it down the back like so. There you go. Straight round as you do. There you go. That's how you get it off. So what I'm going to do now is clean up around the lip surface when I get my breath back. Get the other tyre and get it put on, and we'll refurb it when the tyre's on. But it actually is really easy to use. And all this marks were here anyway. So, let me get the tyre. This is a tyre, we'll just clean around the edge up. Just need to get a cloth. Spiders. I'm just going to check the alloy, give that a quick wipe. Then we'll check the tyre, which way it goes on. Right guys, so got that, we're going to check which way it goes on. Should have an inside and an outside. This is the inside, so that wants to go down. So we'll put some soapy water around it. Right. There you go. Now, I want to get the other side on, so we need soapy water again. It shows right, yep, outside. Proper soak it. And I'm going to start it by lifting it this side. Get it as far on as we can. Now you're going to need something here to stop it popping back out. So if I get, just grab some. So if I grab this, I just grab that, and what we're going to do is wedge it in here, like that, just so it can't go nowhere. And guys, and slide it in, like that, just work your way around. Just do it a bit at a time, no dog. That's it. And here. There you go guys. I'll do it a bit here. Guys, take it out. I reckon one more should do it. And there we go. It's up. There you go guys, 50 quid for that. You can change your own tyre in like 10 minutes. All it wants is blowing up. So we'll finish this tomorrow and get it rubbed down, get it primer, paint, lacquer, and blow it up. Right then guys, so that's how the tyre machine works. It's not too bad. I do recommend putting some sort of matting on the floor before you do it, because it can mark the wheels. But I were refurbing these anyway, somewhat like, so it don't matter. So that's it, semi-refurbed anyway, looks better. So what we're going to do now is just clean up the tyre a little bit, so I'll get the stuff. this is just diamond tyre. Just square it all around it. Obviously I refurbed it after I'd got the tyre on, because I didn't want to damage the alloy putting it on. But to be fair, if you put a bit of plastic around the bar that you use, it won't mark it at all. And it blew back on bead easy enough. Oh, tyre's looking pretty good now. Well, a little bit of silver paint there, but we can get that off. So we'll stand it up, because what we have got is I bought a full set of new Ford little centre caps. See if we can get into it. Nice. Just to finish it off. This is the last one anyway, all the others are done. So just still. Hopefully not drop it on the floor. Hit the centre cap. Maybe something like straight. And there you go, guys. So, quick refurb, new tyre, like I say, centre cap, all done in back garden on a cheap machine, which I think is about 40 odd quid. Big difference. So I cleaned the inside out a bit as well. So yeah, if you like the video, guys, please like and subscribe. Make sure you check out my other videos, please. I need all the help I can get. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, message, and all the rest of that palaver. And I'll see you all on the next one, guys. Ta-ra.